In an unprecedented event, a former U.S. president is facing criminal charges. The once head of the free world, Donald Trump, arrived at the New York City courtroom, flanked by his legal team. His calm demeanor belied the gravity of the situation. Trump, not known for holding his tongue, made a brief statement to the swarm of reporters. He labeled his trial as nothing less than an assault on America. His words echoed in the air, a stark reminder of the unique nature of this trial. For the first time in the annals of American history, a former U.S. president stands accused of criminal charges. This is a moment that will be etched in the history books, a testament to the accountability that even the highest office in the land is not immune to. As Trump steps into the courtroom, the world watches with bated breath. Former President Trump stands trial for felony charges related to a 2016 hush money payment. A historical case unfolds in New York City, with Trump facing charges tied to a payment made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. This payment, allegedly made to bolster his chances in the 2016 presidential election, brings us to an unprecedented moment in history. A former U.S. president stands before the court, charged with criminal conduct. Now let's delve into the specifics. Trump is facing a 34-count indictment, including charges of falsifying business records. This indictment stems from the alleged hush money payment, orchestrated by his then-attorney Michael Cohen. But Trump, maintaining his innocence, has pleaded not guilty to these charges. As we navigate the complexities of this case, we brace ourselves for the lengthy process of jury selection. A process that could span 2 weeks, setting the stage for a trial that might last 6 to 8 weeks. With the stage set, the jury selection commences, potentially lasting up to 2 weeks. In the courtroom, a debate ensues over evidence. The focus of the debate centers on whether certain pieces of evidence should be permitted into the trial. This includes potential evidence pertaining to the Trump campaign's interactions with the National Enquirer and allegations of an affair involving the former president. The defense vehemently argues against the inclusion of these topics. Trump's attorney, Todd Blanche, deems these topics as a sideshow, a distraction designed to cloud the jury's judgment on the actual crime charged. He further dismisses the claims of an affair as literally just salacious with no value. However, the courtroom drama intensifies as Judge Merchan decides to side with the prosecutors. He reasons that this evidence could help the prosecutors construct a compelling narrative and lay the proper foundation for their case. According to Judge Merchan, these materials are not illegal or improper, and thus, he grants permission for their inclusion in the trial. In a surprising turn, Judge Merchan instructs the prosecutors to refrain from referencing the fact that Trump's wife, Melania, was pregnant during the alleged affair. This decision raises eyebrows, adding another layer of intrigue to this already unprecedented trial. Despite the objections, Judge Merchan allows the evidence, setting the stage for a heated trial. This decision marks a significant moment in the trial, promising a fiery courtroom showdown in the coming weeks. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the twists and turns of this historic case. The jury selection process sparks a dispute. The wheels of justice continue to turn, but not without a bump in the road. The bone of contention? The jury questionnaire, an essential tool for selecting impartial jurors. Trump's attorney, Todd Blanche, raises a red flag, arguing that the questionnaire is marred by asymmetry, a potential loophole that could allow jurors with a bias against the former president to be seated. He asserts that this could sway the trial, tipping the scales of justice. However, Judge Merchan, a figure of integrity and steadiness in this whirlwind trial, swiftly counters this claim. "That is not relevant," he retorts. "There is no asymmetry in the questionnaire." His words echo in the courtroom, a stern denial that brings a sense of finality to the dispute. As the dust settles, the trial continues to move forward, undeterred by the dispute. Judge Merchan stands firm, denying the asymmetry claim and moving the trial forward. A twist in the trial as Trump's legal team seeks the recusal of Judge Merchan. They filed motions, citing the judge's past comments and his daughter's affiliation with a Democrat-linked firm as grounds for recusal. However, Judge Merchan dismissed these claims as a series of inferences, innuendos, and unsupported speculation. He labels them as attenuated, effectively denying the motion. With the motion denied, the trial continues, marking a pivotal moment in American history.